This is Cool Japan, and we're going to take a look at some more gacha. This time I got some gacha mini fridges, which is pretty cool. Name is called the Miniature Refrigerator Collection. There's these different colors. There's light blue, this wood textured fridge, mint green, metallic red, and navy. Pretty cool. I got 2 of them, and I think this is light blue, I think. Maybe mint green. But yeah, anyway. You can see there's detail on the back for the vent and stuff. Open up the top. Ah, okay, cool. We have some ice trays and some shelves. Pretty nice detail. They have the rubber here too, so it closes in all the coldness. Pretty cool. And down here we have this cup. Maybe a frosted glass for your beer. Pretty cool. Yeah, pretty simple stuff. And I got the metallic red. This is one of the ones I didn't really want, just because, well, I don't know. This might be a good fridge for Iron Man, maybe. Pretty shiny. And inside, I think, is probably the same. Yep. You got some ice trays and frosted cup. Cool. Alright, I'm going to take some pictures with some figures and just kind of show you guys the scale. So, yeah, stay tuned.